Collett 060s were built to replace earlier designs of 060s, which were known as Dean goods, after their designer William Dean. These Victorian machines were mechanically similar to the Collett engines, but had a very different boiler outline. This was the style of Great Western engines up until the beginning of the century, when George Jackson Churchward began a revolution in locomotive design, which led to the classic Great Western locomotive outline, with a brass safety valve cover and copper cap chimney. The Dean outline was in the Victorian tradition, with a tall chimney and a massive steam dome.